Alright guys, I'm going to talk about a few things today. Some updates. Well, I got a message from Russell and had some awesome expectations of what we were going to be able to do with 3D printing and Raspberry Pi cams and pasta, spaghetti and all that stuff. But apparently what happened was that as he was trying to fix some adhesion problems or extrusion problems, whatever it was, the motherboard on the 3D printer got fried. So he said that hopefully he's going to get that fixed and we'll be able to get back in business with all that stuff. But what I want to tell you guys is this, and I'll tell you in the next video because we're running out of space here on this 1 minute video, is that what kills the mojo on a YouTube channel isn't bad quality videos, isn't not having the right tools, isn't a bunch of things. What it is, the key to what really beats up and destroys mojo on a YouTube channel is telling people that something is going to happen and then nothing happens, or it takes 10 years to get that one thing done. You know,